Xiaomi Miband 5, bigger dynamic color screen. The screen of Miband 5 is increased by 20%, 1.1 Amoled screen. 100 plus Watchfaces. More convenient magnetic charging. The charging interface has been changed to the below of heart rate sensor, and 2 contact points design. Just charge at a touch, no more frequent disassembling the MI dial. Upgraded professional sensor. An upgraded version of the chip, more accurate health monitoring. Support 11 professional sports modes: outdoor running, walking, cycling, indoor running, swimming pool, exercise, indoor cycling, elliptical machine, skipping rope, yoga, rowing machine. Top reviews from the United States. Product is a great value for the price. The app could be a lot more user-friendly. It is made in Korea, so the instructions are vague and you have to hunt for days within the display on the watch to actually find the great features that the watch has. The app has very few buttons and options, so it is hard to find the information you might be looking for. I have made this watch functional for my needs with a great deal of trial and error. The wonderful that I have discovered over time are not fully explained in the app or in the instruction booklet, and help is hard to find. I absolutely love this watch, but it took me months to figure out how to use the features that I do use, such as using the band to activate my camera to take large group remote photos from 40 feet away, or changing my playlist quickly from a different room, or setting my workout schedule for feedback. I use it for an alarm and for a stopwatch. It counts my daily steps accurately and provides heart rate feedback and includes a meditation breathing cycle. The watch can be programmed to ring when you get a phone call. This works for me because I am not always allowed to have my phone near my desk. I can see who is calling in real time and then call them back at a better time. Vibration band. There is an idle setting which reminds me to get up and move more if I sit at my desk for too long. I am guessing I am still not using 100% of the features after 1 year because I haven't yet figured it out. My husband bought one, my 20-something son has bought the same brand, and several of my friends, and we all love it and use it for a variety of reasons and in widely different ways. I like that you can adjust the display colors, theme and font size. This is a great product. This company needs to develop a better way to explain all of the great technological features or provide a website where you can watch explanation videos. So far, I've been unable to get full support for the product. I've owned it for more than a year, and because I have health needs, it provides me with wonderful full-time health updates which can be shared and sent remotely to my physician. I like seeing the weather updates and knowing how many calories I've expended. I am sure many fit watches are programmed to do all of these things, but I didn't expect this many options and great feedback for the low price. My favorite feedback is the sleep feedback, which is shown in a numerical rating, a color graph and broken down hour by hour. I highly recommend this watch for low cost value.